Hey guys, Adrian here from Redwater Dodge, the home of regularly Rams, regularly approved and regularly used. Right beside me here is my dream car. If everyone wants to know, that's my truck that I'm driving. And if you guys don't buy this van within 25 days, I won't be driving that truck. My boss is gonna make me drive this. So help me. I'm kidding. So no, 2023 guys, this thing's got the 3.5 liter V6 and not EcoBoost, so just in case you need to know. Blacked out headlights. This one is a rear-wheel drive model, not the all-wheel drive like everyone loves and whatnot, but still pretty good. We got backup camera, air conditioning, sorry, leatherette seatings. Now, medium wheelbase, high roof, and now we have these aluminum shelves that fold up, Ranger design. Full partition with a lock, so you can lock that up too. LED lighting package. Good tires, leaf springs in the rear, high mount review camera. Check this thing out. Uh-oh, sorry. And then, oh, it's not on the thing, that's why. But they fold up. There you go. Pretty easily. Don't want to slam them, but yeah, pretty nice. Save you a few bucks. What else? Got gas door, tow meter size things, cruise control, hands-free calling, and we got 72,000 kilometers. So for more information, just give me a call, 780-942-3629.